Hello, welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, you will learn how to use the case expression in QGIS attributes table. This expression, it helps to evaluate a series of conditions which you'll enter, and whenever a particular condition has been satisfied, it leaves any row. Let's say a row in your data has been satisfied by any of the conditions, it skips it and goes to the next. Okay, so our data here, which we'll be working with, we're trying to rank the economy of these nations according to their development levels, right? Yes. So here we'll be using the economic column. You can see a similar kind of rank here where um, if it's a developed region, G7, it's called high income OECD. And then if it's developed region, not G7, it's also called high income OECD. But there are some others that are not, that are non-OECD. Yeah, so least developed region, that kind of thing. So in our case, we want to make it a heat map. So we want to rank it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how developed they are. We want to write much. So we'll go to our attributes table. We'll go to conditionals. First, we'll create a new field. Under create new field here, check this box. If you have any of these selected rows, if you want to work on only a few rows, you can select those rows and check the box, only update selected rows. But otherwise, you proceed. So let's call it rank. And in this case, let's leave it at integer. Okay. I'll leave it at integer because we want to use a rank. And then we go to conditionals and click on the case function. You can read more about it here, just as I described. It uses the when, then for the results, and you can iterate it several times until else when it ends. So just double click on it for it to appear here. So case when, let's go back to fields and values. It's easier this way so that I don't have to type in everything. So when our condition is that when economy, under fields and values, you'd see the list of all fields. Double click on economy. When economy is equal to, when you have clicked on economy, you'll see the all unique. Click on all unique here and you'll see the list of values under economy. So when developed region G7, when economy is equal to developed region G7, then quote 1. Let's remove this result. Okay. Then 1. You can always prove it here. So for the first one, it's not G7, so it's null. Okay. Then you can type again. When still economy equal to developed region non G7, then 2 in quotes, right? So you can iterate this as many times as you want. Okay, iterate it as many times as you want. Then you can also do else other. This it. So you can put your rankings for all of them, or you can say else 0. So if you want just this 1 and 2 and every other one is ranked as 0, or you want to rank all of them from number 1 to number 7, or as the case may be. So you can create a conditional statement using the case statement. That is it for this video. Let's just run this to see our results. Run. Okay. What was the name of our column again? Rank, right? So you can see it's 210, just like that, as the case may be. Then let me know if this works out for you well. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section or contact me via the social media links in the about section of this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next